In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead magnet page in Beehiiv, which is a fantastic tool for building your email list and engaging with your audience. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's jump right in. First things first, what exactly is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is a valuable resource that you offer to your audience in exchange for their contact information, usually their email address. This could be anything from an ebook, a checklist, or a free course. When done right, a lead magnet can significantly boost your email list and help you connect with potential customers. Now, let's get started with Beehiiv. If you haven't already signed up, go ahead and create an account. It's straightforward, and once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a clean and user-friendly dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, the first step to creating your lead magnet page is to navigate to the Pages section. Here, you'll find the option to create a new page. Click on that, and you'll be presented with various templates. For a lead magnet, you'll want something that really highlights the value of what you're offering. Think about the design. You want it to be inviting and easy to read. Select a template that resonates with the style of your brand. After choosing a template, you'll be taken to the page editor. Here's where the fun begins. First, let's add a catchy title. Your title is the first thing that visitors will see, so make it engaging and compelling. For instance, if you're offering a free ebook, you might title it something like, "Unlock Your Success Free Ebook Guide to Mastering Your Topic." This helps to pique curiosity. Next, you'll want to provide a brief description. You need to clearly explain what the lead magnet is and what the audience will gain from it. Keep it concise, but informative. For example, you could say, "This in-depth guide takes you step by step through the essential strategies to boost your productivity and achieve your goals." Now, let's add an image. A relevant, high-quality image can help capture attention and visually reinforce the value of your lead magnet. In the editor, you should see an option to upload or select an image. If you don't have a specific image ready, you might consider using stock images that correspond to your content. After the image, it's crucial to incorporate a clear call to action. This is going to be your sign-up form or button where visitors will enter their email addresses. Consider using phrases like "get instant access" or "join the community" to encourage action. Beehiiv makes it easy to add this feature. Just drag and drop the sign-up form onto your page, customize it, and link it to your email marketing settings. Now that your lead magnet page is taking shape, let's move on to the colors and fonts. Beehiiv allows you to customize these elements to match your brand identity. Choose colors that complement your existing branding, and make sure the font is legible and inviting. As you finalize your design, don't forget to include some testimonials or social proof if you have it. This could be quotes from individuals who have benefited from your lead magnet in the past, or figures that showcase your credibility. Social proof is an effective way to build trust with your audience. Once you're satisfied with the content, layout, and design, it's time to preview your lead magnet page. Take a moment to click the preview button. Go through it as if you were a potential subscriber. Check for any typos or design inconsistencies. When everything looks great, you're ready to publish it. Hit that publish button and congratulations, your lead magnet page is now live. Now it's about promoting it. Share the link